Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jess. You know what this is, right? It is 2018 and it is my Christmas haul. Well, at least part of it. My first part. My Christmas present from my son, Fred. I will insert a clip, a picture of him so you can see my handsome boy. If you're new, don't forget, subscribe, click the bell to be notified. Make sure you share with everyone you know because sharing is caring. Hit that like button because it helps your girl's channel out and I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Let's get started with this haul. And if you want to see how I put this together and my check-in at the end of the day, well, just keep watching. From the famous Ulta, because you guys know, I found these new NYX Slip Tease lip oils. Now, I thought that they were just super pigmented lip oils, literally, like it says. That's the color. This is the shade. I woke up like this. These don't have a scent at all. They do dry down. I didn't have any transfer with these at all. This is Lowkey, and this is the shade Lowkey right here. Now I haven't worn this one, but it's my type of shade. So that's Lowkey right there. Is this Clinique Smart Custom Repair Eye Treatment. This is a serum. It's for all skin types. It's a de-aging, anti-aging. It says here, I'll tell you real quick when I find the English section. It says our eye treatment targets repair as needed, where needed. Custom repair is how one formula can visibly brighten, contour, and firm, plump, or repair the look of the crow's feet. Used twice a day. I've had this for a few days, but I didn't want to do the haul. I wanted to give these products a few days just to work out, and I've seen a difference. So this is the eye treatment right here. It comes in a plastic pretty bottle. And it has a top and a pump. And all about your eyes. Reduce circles, puffs. This is their gel formula. And here it goes, right here. Now they have one that's really creamy, or this type of cream gel type formula. It's very, very emollient, but not greasy. That's so weird to say, but like my face does not feel greasy at all. It feels like it drank water. I got the ABH Clear Brow Gel. It's just their standard silver tube. There goes the brush. So the next thing I also got was a dip brow, and I got it in ebony. And here's the packaging. So it kind of has like a gray tone to it, which is actually pretty good for brows. So we shall see. I got the number 12 brush with. So here's the 7B brush. And I love, you see how flat that is? But here is the number 12 brush. You would think that the 12 would be bigger than the 7B because the numbers is like 7 and 12. Gosh. But look how much smaller that brush is. And once there's product on this one will get even thinner. So it'll be even like thinner than this one. It'll be sharper. This one is longer than the 7B brush. This right here, the Jack Black, this shit will fix anything. They're so good. And this one was, I think, yeah, $12 for the set.
Oh my god. Oh my god, guys, you don't understand.
This feels also like you're putting a drink of water on your lips. It's crazy. And it has like this minty scent. I can keep doing this shit all day if I don't stop. I gotta stop myself. And for 12 bucks, this lasts forever. Like, it will last you. I run out of my other stuff faster than I do this because when you put this on, it just lasts. You don't have to keep reapplying it over and over and over. And then because it has that cooling mint, your lips feel refreshed and moisturized all the time. This thing is really good. So worth it. So I got back by Chanel Chance. This is my favorite Chanel Perfume. Favorite. No Coco. No. Chance. I do like... Stop. I like the pink one and the pearl white one. I smelled the orange one. in the store and it was really strong, but I don't know, I kind of liked it too, so I think I might go back and get that eventually. We'll see. But here's the bottle. This is my boo-boo. Another thing that I got was this Ardell limited edition exclusive lash styles lookbook. It comes with 8 lashes. You get all of these beautiful faux mink lashes, and it was $39.99, and I got it for $19.97. So you know your girl was like, yes, please, yes. So it comes with a glue, but I threw the glue away because I don't use that glue. Like these little glues that come in here, they have a tendency of drying out and stuff, so I don't really bother with them. But anyways, so you have the 813, 815, 812, 810, another, 816, 17. So this is 16, 17. And then you have 11 and 14. We got the Morphe Highlight and Contour Sponge. He got me the Jacklyn Hill palette. He's so cute. Like watching my videos to see what I have and don't have to pick up certain things for me. I got some Stilla. Ah! So I have 2 glitter and glows and 1 shimmer and glow. I'm going to show you the glitter and glow. This one is Gold Goddess. Look at that. This one is Molten Midnight. There goes Molten Midnight. This is Douce. This is the shimmer and glow. Remember, the other 2 are glitter and glow. So the new packaging for these is the rose gold top and rose gold lettering. Maybe I should turn it right side. Stilla. It's all in rose gold. Look at that. Look at that green. And it's not showing up on camera, but it has micro glitters in it. It's so freaking beautiful. I got the Lancôme Teint Idole Ultra Wear. This is the up to 24-hour color wear and comfort, transfer resistant, all skin types, coverage. I'm in 420 Bisque. Here it goes right here. I did get color match while I was there, and this looked amazing on me. Also got the Ultra Wear High Coverage Concealer. This thing is like ultra wear camouflage. Holy crap. Like, I'm gonna just put a dot. All right, guys, look at that tiny dot that's there. You ready?
I'm just gonna tap this out. Look at this. Like, the middle is the most part that hasn't dried the most, but the edge is already setting. Look at the difference. Look at that.
I'm not doing corrector. There goes the tiny dot that I'm wearing, that I'm using. I'm splitting that between 2. I already blended that out with my fingers. I don't need to blend it anymore. I just want to make sure that I don't have any finger marks or creases. Okay, in the concealer, I am 360 Bisque. I'm going to take my sponge and blend that in, and we will see you guys in a few because you know how long it takes me. I'm going to go ahead and use my dip brow, and I'm actually nervous because I've never actually used ABH dip brow. I'm going in with a Lowkey 205 tapered blending brush. I'm going to start with, I guess that's Silk Cream, that one right there. I tried Benefit. I've tried other products that, yes, though they work on, you know, the inner part of my brow and my tail, they've never worked in my frontal part because I told you guys I don't have eyebrow hairs there. I have like dirt. I have to actually draw in eyebrow or a shadow there just to make my eyebrows look complete so they don't look all wonky and funky. The problem with most products, if not all, when I get oily, they start breaking apart and it looks horrible because it looks like stippling. I'm gonna go into creamsicle right there. Then this is Puder, which would be this one right here. These eyeshadows really do blend nice. So kudos to Miss Jacklyn Hill. Go into that first shade, which is in light, and it looks like and I'm gonna go in with my finger, and it looks like the darker out of the 2 shimmer shades that she has here. And I'm gonna put that and blend it towards the back. Alright guys, so I just did a very thin, tiny line right on the top. And like halfway. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Lash Paradise Voluminous Mascara. I'm gonna put an inner corner highlight really quick. I'm gonna finish my lips real quick. I'm going in with this Jordana lip liner in Hot Fuchsia. Alright guys, so I'm done. What do you guys think? So I left it pretty simple. I like the eyeshadows. So far I like the brows. Like, what do you guys think? You think it's too light? Should I get it darker? Or is that good right there? Eyeshadows are good. Lip product. This lip product is awesome. You guys gotta get on this lip tease thing. This lip product is so good. Like, it doesn't give me butthole. Look how pretty that is. I don't know if you guys could see it or not, but it just lined up. It lined up like the very center a little. But look. Look how smooth. It's already drying. It'll stay. Well, anyways, it's not gonna like super duper stay, but it stays. My face looks good. That's all I'm gonna say, okay? Good. It looks really good, like really good, and it's my perfect shade. There's no a little orange, a little cream, a little red, a little nothing. It is perfect. It looks like I put makeup on top of my face, not on top of foundation, and it feels like nice, like nice, like amazing on my face. Let's see what it feels like a whole day later. So I will see you guys tonight. So it is 9:23 p.m. but the lipstick is gone. But guys, look, it were amazing. But these brows have lasted me like no brows have ever lasted me. No, and I'm greasy and it's still on. So I'm a little greasy in my T-zone, which is fine. And let's see. It wore off a little bit right here, but I'm going to tell you why. So earlier, I was doing this, right? And I caught myself. You see my chin a little? It wore off. I caught myself doing this, look. For no reason at all. Like, no, I'm not kidding. No reason. It wore off a little here. But the reason that is, and I could tell you because my tooth is still hurting and I keep doing this. Yeah. But it's worn down, like worn off really pretty. I don't know about that 24-hour. I mean, you know, I use some of my matte products. I mean, I can matte it up a little bit more, but I don't want to. Maybe I will. Who knows? And this is only one layer. I didn't put 2 coats on. I put 1. So I mean, my skin still looks nice. Like, look at that. Like, I look nice. Like, I don't look busted. I look good. Oh, my God, but this concealer. No corrector. Just a little bit of that concealer. I'm not, like, I'm oily here, but I'm shiny. Let's see. Test time. Okay. Napkin. Just like, you know, a nose tissue. Soft. That's highlight. Yeah. I'm a little, yeah, oily around my nose, but it's not horrendous, and my pores are not like crazy, which usually by this time of night, it's like, oh my God, my pores, they look horrible. They're taking over. Yeah, they're not taking over. So everything looks pretty good. I mean, I think my makeup looks all right. You know, I didn't like work at it too hard. I just wanted to see how this foundation worked out. And this brow product. I'm so excited. This concealer, out of everything though, the brow product and the concealer are the things that really have me, and yeah, and I smell good because my perfume be rocking. All right, guys, so that's it. I love you guys. This is the end of the night because all right, guys, so until the next one, I will leave everything down in the description bar that I've used. I will leave whatever I need to leave linked down there. You know where. You have a comment section. You know what to do. You know what to do, and you know how to do it. And until the next one, guys, I love you guys. Bye, guys. Bye, YouTube. Mwah.